handa akong tanggapin ang anumang magiging resulta ng impeachment process basta't ito'y ay sang-ayon sa ating saligang batas. Pero naunawaan ko rin ang ating bansa ay lubhang nahahati sa ngayon sa isyung ito. Para maibalik ang pagpapatuloy ng prosesong naayon sa ating saligang batas, pag-uutos ko sa aking mga abogado o Defense Counsel na sumang-ayon na buksan ang pangalawang sobre.
Sa dilim mo'y buhay tubig, di ka pasisil sa dagat at bundok sa simuyak.
Hanapin ang katotohanan.
We are withdrawing support from the incumbent president. And we will support the assumption into office of the constitutionally mandated successor, the Vice President.
Ako ay nakahandang panagutan ng lahat. Ako'y nalulungkot na humantong sa ganito ang mga pangyayari. Pero upang pangalagaan ng ating demokrasya at hayaan maghari ang kapayapaan sa ating bansa, hinihiling ko ngayon sa ating Kongreso na tumawag ng isang snap presidential election kasabay ng congressional at local elections na gaganapin sa darating na Mayo. Hindi ako lalahok sa snap election na ito at agad kong ililipat ang kapangyarihan ng tanggapan ng Pangulo sa sino mang mahahalal bilang aking kapalit. Ang aking mga tungkulin
bilang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas.
Bilang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas.
Pangangalagaan at ipagtatanggol.
Pangangalagaan at ipagtatanggol. The President of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Health Secretary Alberto Romualdez, Labor Secretary Benny Laguesma. I said in an earlier statement, malinis ang aking konsyensya. Wala akong tinatago sa ating mga kababayan. I believe that the truth will come out in the end. It is a serious matter, and I'm taking it seriously.
I regret that I can no longer continue to serve as a member of the present cabinet. Accordingly, I have on this day submitted my resignation as a cabinet member.
Ladies and gentlemen, the president.
Yeah, it is my duty to inform the nation that we, in representation of the minority and the Filipino people, all the Filipino people are set and hereby file a complaint for impeachment against the President of the Philippines.
members of my cabinet here. I'll prove wrong those who have put their personal and political interests above the interests of our country by summarily demanding my ouster and fomenting political and economic instability.
The Constitution mandates that when at least one-third of all the members of the House files a verified complaint or a resolution of impeachment, the same shall constitute the articles of impeachment and the duty of the House.
The issue is whether or not to open the second envelope. You have 10 yes votes and 11 no votes. The no votes have it.